Okay guys, this is something we definitely do not want to see. When your windows are broken, please do not tape them up with duct tape. Ed, you want to tell us a little bit more about why this might be a problem?
Hi everybody, Ed here. This is not what you want to do to an expensive stained glass window, whether it's got cracks in it or not. The glue on duct tape on the back of it is going to leave this nasty. If you've ever taped up any windows for a hurricane and you know you're not supposed to do that either, the same thing. It leaves that glue.
So we've got to clean it.
We've got to clean everything now, and if the duct tape hadn't been on there, all we'd have to do is do the repair work and we could have saved the customer some money. Cleaning off duct tape glue is not fun, and then you have to be careful. If you look, this has bevels in it. You can't just scrape it with a single edge razor blade. So anyway, just a little reminder, y'all, please don't use tape on your window. Don't do it, okay? This is a beautiful window. And it will still be a beautiful window, except we have to really do some intensive cleaning, not with just razor blades, but with chemicals. We've got to break that glue down and get rid of it.
So hopefully it hasn't been on there too long and we won't have too much trouble. But do not duct tape your stained glass windows.
Not at all. Look.
The best remedy is just to put them on a piece of plywood, lay them flat, and bring them to us.
Another tip for everybody, whether you do lead or zinc, you do not put zinc in a door. Zinc is too rigid. All it does, that's the whole problem with this window, is because every joint around the outside is cracked because two things. They use 60-40 solder, which is stiff, instead of using 50-50, and instead of using lead, which flexes and moves when the door opens and closes, they use zinc. And you know what? It doesn't matter what I do to this, eventually it's going to break loose again.
So will you take that off and put a lead border around it then, Ed?
I probably will take the outside, yeah, and so that I don't have to change sizes of the window, I'll probably do that, or I'm just going to add some horizontal rebars to it, keep it from moving, make it rigid, stiffen it up, and hopefully that'll keep it. It's really sad.
Another no-no. One more thing. When you have a stained glass door panel, you're going to have to put rebar, especially where they push on the door. People tend to, even if it's stained glass, they will put their hand on it and either push it or trying to get the door open or whatever. And another thing you can do is put a piece of glass in front of it or behind it.
Now this one has another piece of glass in front of it, but every time it moves,
right, because of the zinc.
Because of the zinc. The zinc is too rigid for doors. It's great for windows that are vertical and tall and wide, but something that's moving all the time, come on guys. Get the structural capability of the windows down before you think you can just build something and stick it in a door. Let's do this together, and it's just a no-no. Put that on the top of your list. Zinc and doors. No. It's very simple.
Anything else you want to tell us about this window?
Yeah, other than the fact that it's really pretty. It's a great design. Again, guys, don't put zinc in a door, please. Don't do it. That's just my opinion. But I'm gonna tell you, you end up with this if you do. And who has time to go back and keep repairing your own work? Nobody. That's what happens. It rattles, it's rigid, 60-40 solder is stiff, it won't flex.
All right, we'll fix it. You'll fix it.
Oh, I'll fix it, I'm in it. This is what I do.
Okay.
Well, this is what I do. So, I'm not mad at whoever built this. Don't even know who they are. This is a repair job for Conway Glass, for Ed and Barb. This is what we do. I'll fix the problem and the customer will be happy from here on out. Thanks again for tuning in today. Just a quick little on how to do a repair, and do not mix zinc in a door. Doesn't work.
Thank you, Ed.
Hey, thank you guys.